Hi guys, I just wanted to do a little mini demonstration of Brusho Crystals. I've had several requests, people asking me what this stuff is all about. So I just purchased this little kind of introductory tester trial package. It just came with these 6 different colors. Got orange, lemon, crimson, turquoise, green, and violet. So that's what it comes with. I think it had a little spray bottle of water, but I prefer my big old water bottle. So it's real simple. Basically, these come in powdered form, and it's really messy, and it's very highly pigmented. So be very careful. I probably should be using gloves. I recommend that. So here we go. Basically, you just sprinkle on. I just got some regular watercolor paper. And you just kind of sprinkle on randomly, really lightly. I'm gonna start with the orange here. Maybe throw in some yellow. I like to mix them up, but not too many. If you put too many different colors on there, it will blend and turn into mud, like a lot of paint pigments do. So again, I'm just kind of randomly spreading around some of these crystal dust. Random. That's how all of my work starts, randomly. Maybe I'll throw a little green. Oop, and it kind of splattered a little bit, so who knows what we're gonna get. That's the beauty of these crystals, is you never know what's gonna happen. So there it is. It's just kind of spread out on the paper like that, just totally random. And all I'm gonna do is take plain old water, and I'm gonna lightly squirt it. You don't want to squirt too hard or it will splatter all over. And just watch the magic. Zoom in a little bit. I think it's just so much fun to see what happens. And then of course you can always take a paintbrush or other instrument and kind of spread it around. See what kinds of patterns you can make, but again, don't want to mix too many colors together or it will turn to mud. They form interesting. Yeah, there it's kind of muddier right there already. And then you can also just do things like play with the flow, natural gravity. So that's basically it. You can do all kinds of things with that. I'll show you one that I did the other day last night. And then I added some ink on top of that. You can kind of see all the different colors and patterns and shades that it can create. So anyway, that's my little mini introduction demo on how to use Brusho Crystals. There we go. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a comment in the section down below, and be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for joining me. Have a great weekend.